Hi, my name is Ahsa. Welcome to this quick and simple guided meditation. Please come to a comfortable seat. You may close your eyes or leave them open with a soft gaze on the floor a few feet in front of you. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest, or leave both hands resting on your lap. On your next inhale, gently reach the crown of your head up, lengthening through your spine. And on the following exhale, allow your shoulders to relax down towards the ground. Notice if you're holding any tension in your jaw, your shoulders, or anywhere else in your body. And with the next few exhales, allow your body to release any tension. Perhaps imagining a wave of relaxation flowing from the crown of your head all the way down to your toes. On your next inhale, take a deep breath in through your nose, and then slowly release it out through your mouth with a big sigh. Repeat this one more time at your own pace. And now you can release the control of your breath and allow your body to breathe naturally. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly and chest as you breathe in and out. Allow each breath to bring your awareness more and more into your body. Feel your body breathing. Notice the different qualities of your breath. How deep it is, how smooth it is, how warm or cool it is. And keep your attention focused on your breath. If your mind becomes distracted at any time, gently bring your focus back to your body breathing. I'll be back in a moment when it's time to close out our practice. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Become aware of the sounds and the space around you. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, gently sit back, take a stretch, and blink open your eyes. Thank you for practicing this quick and simple guided meditation. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day.